guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little room tour video. I previously recorded one. I don't like the way it turned out, and I also added some new stuff to my room that I think just made it look complete. So I'm doing another one. If you watched my previous one, keep watching because there's some new stuff in my room that I think just added a little extra bit of me to it. And then if you haven't watched this, then keep watching because my room's real cute. So hopefully this video can give you a little inspiration for your room, or it's just fun to watch because I like watching room tour videos too. Alright, so when you first walk into my room, you look to the right and you got a little coat rack right here. On my coat rack, I usually just keep hats and then some reusable bags just to grab on the go, and my robe, and then sometimes I'll put some sweatshirts on here as well, but I took them off for the sake of the video because not cute. And then if you look to the left, there's nothing, because I was going to put that cork board up there, but yeah, I'm too lazy, so that's just going to be a blank wall. And when you walk straight into my room, you just see this jazz. So on this side of my room, I have my closet. Above my closet, I have some fake vines, and then nothing on my closet. And then to the left of my closet, I have this fake tree. And then below the fake tree is this little, it's like a kind of coffee table thing. I got it from World Market. The World Market by my house was closing down, so I got that for like 90% off, which was awesome. And then on this wall, I just have some of my prints. These two are mine, and then this one is a friend of mine. She's real awesome. I'll link her down below if you want to go check out some of her work. And then those are just some dead flowers that I taped to my wall because, you know, I'm hella artsy like that. And then right next to the fake palm tree, I got my dresser. And then on top of my dresser, I have this little, like, bucket thing that has all my makeup and, like, skincare stuff in it. Probably should clean that out soon because there's a bunch of stuff that I don't use anymore. And then right below that bucket, I have this little ceramic tile that I just put my jewelry on because the way it was carved really helps keep my jewelry from tangling, which is super rad. And then right next to all that unnecessary stuff, I have this beautiful plant that's thriving currently. Look at that. Growing a new one, you know. And then this is just like a little spray bottle for my plants. Oh, I totally missed. Like if my plants like humidity, like the one over there I'll talk about later. Oh shit, I just totally broke it. So in this video, I just broke one of the things that I own. That's really good. Okay, well that goes there, and we'll put the broken piece right there too. And then next to my plant is a mirror. Sup? I don't know where I got this from, but you can literally get a mirror like this anywhere. And I like putting my headbands on it, and then I just use this to do my makeup in the morning. And then behind my mirror, I have this little thing. I don't really know what this is, but I like putting, there's some baby's breath and dead roses in there because, you know, aesthetic. And then right next to that is a candle I got from Urban Outfitters. It's amber moss soy candle and super bomb, smells hella good. Got it from Urban Outfitters. Would recommend. And then next to that, I have this salt rock lamp. Just got that off Amazon. Then next to that is my aloe plant that is kind of leaning right now because of the leaves that I've cut off and used. Probably didn't cut them off in the best spots, but you know. I just got the pot that it's in from Anthropology, and then this little dish I thrifted from Goodwill. And then last but not least is this little corner. I have these sunflowers right here. Tied around it is just some leftover from some fabric that I cut from some pants that I have. And then my oil diffuser and my oils. I don't really like the sunflowers being right there, but I can't not have sunflowers in my room, real or fake. So I just have them chilling there for right now, but probably gonna move them eventually. And then if you move on to the left of my dresser, I have these shelves up here. Right there I have an ivy plant. This wants to give me some light. Yeah, so right there is an ivy plant. I've killed like 2 of these, so hopefully this one does a little better. Looks like he's going strong. I always see this as a good sign when they're starting to sprout new leaves, so I think I'm doing okay this time, but Gotta keep my fingers crossed still. Yeah, and then nothing else on these shelves is really exciting. I just have some dead roses up there, some fake candles, and then some fake succulents, and then back there is just a little ceramic cactus that I attempted to make back in high school, and I didn't really want to get rid of it, so I put it in my room. It's not the cutest, but it's there. And then if you move on below the shelves, you have this beautiful mirror. Hi. I got this mirror from Home Goods, super good price, because it's Home Goods. Oh my god. I put the mirror kind of in the corner like that because I wanted it to open up my room more. It used to be against that back wall, but having it in the corner and like facing the way that it is really opens up my room and makes it feel a little bit bigger than it is, which is super cool. And then next to my mirror, I just have my yoga mat. And then on the other side of my mirror, I have this calendar. And on this whole wall, I actually have the ivies that I have above my closet and window, just on the wall. I was gonna make that an art wall, but I started getting into portrait photography and I felt weird having people's faces on my wall, so that's what's there. And this is just some more of those fake ivy vines that are hanging above my window. Ignore the unpainted wall, I'm too lazy. And then right next to that wall, I just have a tapestry. Really brightens up my room. Super simple, easy way to add some color to your room and spice it up a little bit. And then right below that is my bed. My bedding is from Urban Outfitters. Pretty much everything on my bed actually is from Urban Outfitters, because that little sloth is from Urban Outfitters too. This blanket is from Target. I don't love this blanket with the tapestry because that's like a floral print and this is stripes, but the colors are the same and I wanted to add more yellow into my room, so that's why that's there. And next to my bed, I just have my nightstand. It has like a little slot where I put some stuff, and then 2 drawers. And then on top of the nightstand, I have this little ceramic pot. I was gonna use that for succulents, but it's way too small, and so I just use it for like little Polaroids and just random stuff. And then I have this little fake lavender plant right here. And then next to that I have this candle. This is just a little amethyst crystal sitting on top of the candle. And then I just have this lamp. I rarely use this just because it's so annoying to like have to walk all the way over here and switch it on. But it's a nice lamp. And then just sitting on top of my nightstand, I just have this mirror. I have no idea where this is from. I've had this mirror since I was like 3. So no idea where that's from, but it's super cute and I love like the distressed look of it, so yeah. And then right next to my dresser, I just have that beautiful trash can, honestly the highlight of my room. And then that corkboard that I'm too lazy to put on that wall. And then that just brings us right back to the door. So yeah, that's my room. Super cute, super spicy, you know. I actually hate myself for saying that, but yep, that's my room. Alright guys, so that was my quick little redo of my room tour. I just added a few other things that I really love to my room and it feels more complete now. So I wanted to share that with you and I hope you enjoy. I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.